In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit an Outlook group and add or remove members. This makes it easy to keep your group up to date and ensure the right people receive group emails and invitations. Open Outlook and sign in to your account if needed. Click the people icon or select groups from the navigation pane, then open the group you want to manage. To add members, select members or manage members. Then click add members. Search for the person you want to include, select their name and confirm the change. To remove a member, open the group's member list, find the person you want to remove, click the remove option next to their name and confirm your choice. If you're the group owner, you can also edit the group name, description, privacy settings and other options from the group settings or edit group menu. Once you've finished making changes, they're saved automatically or after you click save, depending on your Outlook version. That's how to edit a group and add or remove members in Outlook. Thanks for watching.